Hey everyone, welcome back to Dave's Shop. I'm Dave, and I have something different to show you today out in the shop. I wanted to show you this Leroy's Rocky Mountain beef, 100% natural beef tallow. And you're like, what in the world is he doing with that 7-pound bucket? Well, if you don't know, it's very healthy, 100% natural to cook with beef tallow instead of some of the seed oils. And so today, I'm going to let you know the top 10 things that you could use Leroy's Rocky Mountain beef tallow for other than just cooking. And so here they go. You can, of course, use them for frying and searing. You can use them while you are baking. You can use them for seasoning anything that's cast iron or your griddle. You can use them to cook on your griddle. You can use them as a woodworking tool lubricant. You can use them for a leather conditioner. It works great on your saddles or wallets and stuff like that. Belts to soften them and protect them. You can use them while you're roasting vegetables. Roasted vegetables with beef tallow. Oh, even if you don't like vegetables, you roast them with some of that. And guys, talk about Texas barbecue, and you need what word am I trying to come? A binder for your briskets. Man, put some of that beef tallow on it, and then put your rub on top of that. Oh, man, it'll make your Texas briskets come out delicious. Also, and people don't always think about this. Guys, you know, we're outside working, our hands get all dry and cracked, especially in the winter months. Take a little bit of that tallow, rub it on your hands. Makes a great salve for your hands and your lip. You can use it as a lip balm. And ladies, you can even use it on your face as a moisturizer. How about that? And the last two are probably the things that a lot of people wouldn't think about. You can use it for making traditional soap. And in an emergency, you can even use it as a candle. So those are the top 10 things that I came up with. I'm sure there's more out there. You know what to do. I'm going to put a link to Leroy's 100% natural beef tallow right there in the video. I'll pin it over in the comments and put it down in the description. Pick yours up today while you can. 7 pounds, great cooking. If you've never used beef tallow to cook your fries with, Lord of mercy, you will be wanting to have fries 4 days a week once you've started cooking your fries in that 100% beef tallow. It adds so much flavor. Like I said, you know what to do. Click the link. Check yours out today. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.